Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Japanese Tutorial Hub. Today we are going to do countings in Japanese. So let's start. Now these are the numbers from 1 to 10 and you can repeat after me. Okay, because in Japanese pronunciation is very important. Now we say 1 as ichi. Ichi. Okay, for 2 we have ni. Okay, ni. Then for 3 we have sun, sun. Okay. Then for 4 we can say as she or yon. Okay. She. Okay. Yon. Yon. For 5 we have go. Go. Now for 6 we have rok. Not for 6 we don't say as roku, we say rok. Okay, rok. For 7 we have shichi. Shichi. Or we can also say as nana. Nana. Okay. For 8 we have hachi. Hachi. Okay. For 9 we have kyu. Kyu. Okay, and for 10 we have ju. Ju. Okay, now these are 10 numbers 1 to 10. Now for 11, what we say? Ju ichi. Now why we say ju ichi? Now you can see that ju is 10. Okay, for 10 we have ju. This is ju. And for 1 we have ichi. Okay, so for 11 we have 10 plus 1. Okay, so that means we can first say ju, then ichi. Okay, we can do like this. For 11 we have ju ichi. Then for 12 we have 10 plus 2. That means for 10 we have ju. And for 2 we have ni. So ju ni. Ju ni. For similarly for 13 we have ju sun. Ju sun. Okay. 14 ju yon. Ju yon. Then for 15 we have ju go. Ju go. Okay. You can repeat after me. Then 16 we have ju rok. Ju rok. 17 we have ju nana. Ju nana. For 18 ju hachi. Ju hachi. Then for 19 we have ju kyu. Ju kyu. Okay. Now for 20 what we have? Now for 20 we need to say like 2 into 10. Okay. So first we will write 2, that is ni. Then we have ju. Okay. For 20 we have ni ju. Ni ju. Similarly for 30 we have san ju. San ju. For 40 yon ju. Yon ju. For 50 we have go ju. Okay. For 5 we have go. And for 10 we have ju. So go ju. Then for 60 we have rok ju. Rok ju. Not roku. We have rok ju. Okay. For 70 nana ju. Nana ju. For 80 we have hachi ju. Hachi ju. For 90 we have kyu ju. Kyu ju. Okay. Now for 100 what we have? Hyak. Okay. What we have? Hyak. So what we now do? 2 into 100. Okay. For 100 we have hyak. For 2 we have ni. Okay. So for 200 we have ni hyak. Ni hyak. Then for 300 we have san byak. Now you can see here we have B, not H. Okay, this is an exception. For 300 we have sun byak. Sun byak. Okay, for 400 again we have same yon hyak. Yon hyak. For 500 go hyak. Go hyak. Okay, then for 600 we have rope yak. Rope yak. Similarly to 300 is also an exception and 600 is also an exception. Rope yak. For 6 what we have, you can see here, for 6 we have rok. Okay, ROQU. So for this we have rope yak. Rope yak. Then we have 700, that is nana hyak. Nana hyak. Then 800 is also an exception. For 8 what we have hachi. Okay, so similarly what we will do here, hyap yak. Hap yak. Okay, then 900 we have same q yak. Q yak. Okay, now these three are an exception. Okay, sun byak. Then we have rope yak for 600, and for 800 we have hup yak. Hup yak. Okay, and for 1000 we have sen. Okay, for 10 what we have ju. Okay, you can see for 10 we have ju. Now here I have one slide of this. Yeah, for 10 we have ju. For 100 we have hyak. For 1000 we have sen. And for 10,000 we have man. Okay, now we will do some play activity. Okay, now what we say to 67. Now what is 60? 67 is equal to 60 plus 7. Okay, now firstly we will see what is 60. Then we will add the word of 7. Okay, now we see what is 60. Now this is 60. Rokju. Okay, Rokju plus 7. Now what is 7? 7 is nana. You can see here 7 is nana. This. Okay, so we will add 60 plus 7. So what is 60? 60 is Rokju. Rokju nana. Okay, now you can see here we have Rokju nana. Okay, 60 plus 7. Okay, now we have 89. What is 80 plus 9? Okay, what is 80? Now you go back and here we have 80. 80 is hachiju. Hachiju. Okay, then we have 9. Now what is 9? 9 is q. You can see here this is q. Okay, so what we will do? We will add hachiju, that is 80 plus 9. So we have hachiju q. Okay, then we have 23. Now what is 20 plus 3? 20 plus 3. 20 is niju. 20 is niju. Now we have to do 20 plus 3. Okay, now what is 20? 20 again is 2 into 10. Okay, 20 plus 3. Now 3, you remember that 3 is sun, but 20 is niju. Niju sun. Okay, then we have 45. Again, what is 45? 40, what is 40? Yonju. Then we have 5. We will add it. Yonju go. Okay, again 56. What is 50? Goju. What is 50? Goju. Then we will add at last 6, that is rok. So 56 total combine is goju rok. Similarly 54 goju yon. Goju yon. Okay, so similarly you can do like this with all the numbers. So these are the countings in Japanese. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.